scientific method. We discussed about the scientific method. So in the scientists, what they will do actually? How they will do the experiments? How they will follow the experiments and how to prepare the plan, how to conduct the experiment. Okay, how to, like so many things are discussed already. Okay, so that is the scientific method. How the scientists will do their works and how to identify the new things. Those things we are discussed. Okay. Now in the process skills. The process skills is nothing but a tool of thinking. Already I discussed that process skill is nothing but you can see process skills whenever you speak, listen, read, write and think. The process is, what will be there in process skills? Speak will be there, listen will be there, read and write and think. These all things will be there in process skills. Process skills will be changes one experiment to the another experiment. It will change one experiment to another experiment. Process skills will be changes. In previously in Saket experiment we already did. Saket went to the nearby the beaches, collected the shells which are present in the beach. Okay, what he is classified, which process skill used, already we discussed. Now today we will use Charita. Charita is interesting in learning what makes the size and shape of the rock changes. She plans an experiment to find out whether the sand rubbing against the rocks will cause piece of the rock flags off and changes the size of the shape of the rock. She wants to observe the different sizes of the rocks. Okay, Charita, what the process skills of the Charita? You can see page number 7. She collects the 3 rocks, measures their masses and weights, and also puts the rocks on the jar with the sand and water. She shakes the rocks every day for a week. She took the 3 rocks, measured the masses of the rocks and put in a jar along with the water. Every week she is shaking the rocks. Then she measures and records the masses of the rocks, the sand and the container. She interprets her data and concludes that rocks are broken down when sand rubs against them. How the soil is formed? The 2 or 3 rocks will be with the help of the rubbing of each rock and the powder-like substance will be formed. That is nothing but a sand. Hey, big rocks will be break down into small pieces. A powder-like, a sand-like structure will form. That is nothing but a soil. Already, okay. I think in the next classes, 9th and 10th class, we learn what is the soil formation, how the soil is formed. Okay, Charita want to see how the rocks are converted into sand. In this, what the process skill for Charita? Okay, Charita's process skills. What are the process skills of Charita? How many rocks she took actually? She took the masses and she took some of the rocks and every week she is shaked the rocks along with the water and observed. After that she finds sand and again measured. Same will be there, weight will be same will be there. What are the process skills? First one is measure. Process skill of the Charita is, first one is you have to measure. What you have to measure? Rocks you have to measure. Weight you have to measure. Next, gather a data. Next one is gathering of the data. Second one is gathering of the data. So you have to collect the gathering of the data. You have to collect the data. And the third one is record data. You have to record the data. Your data must be recorded. And the fourth one is record the data. And you can see display the data. You have to display the data. How to display the data? So after after completion of the experiment. Example, red soil, black soil, sandy soil, like that so many soils are there. With the help of that you have to do this experiment. And some data will become, some result will become. You have to see in the, you have to show in the form of tables. You have to show in the form of tables, charts, in the form of tables, charts, or graph. Tables, charts in the form of, and a graph. You can see tables, charts, and graphs. Okay, the data result will be shown in the form of table, charts, and graph. Okay. Next, you can see interpret the data, drawing the conclusions about what the data shows. Interpret data. The fourth one is you have to compare the data. What is the meaning of fifth one is interpret the data. Interpret. Interpret the data. Interpret the data. Data must be compared. What is the difference between sandy soils? What is the difference between black soils and red soils? You have to compare. Different experiments you have to do, different soils you have to do, different rocks you have to do. You have to compare the conclusions. This is the process skill of Charita. Charita collected some of the big rocks, put in a jar and lung the water, shaking in every week, and after that she will get some powder like sandy like substance. Finally she weighed it. So she done with different soils and finally she done this experiment. This is Charita's experiment. She followed some of the things. It is a scientific method. Scientific method is nothing but a following of process skills. Next we will go to Aravind. Aravind, what he done? Aravind want to find out how the light switch in his bedroom works. In his bedroom, how the light will work. Switch is somewhere, light is somewhere. But power will be from the poles will get, okay, from the thermal power stations will get. From there to here to there it will go is surround. How it will be? How it will be? You want to show in a model. You know model you have to do. Switch is one, bulb and wire like that you want to show. Okay? Aravind want to find out how the light switches bedroom works. What he will done? What are the process skills he will done to show that? Okay? First he will do. First we will see the. Just note down these points. Okay? Next we will go to the Aravind. Next we will go to Aravind. Next we will discuss about Aravind. Aravind, what are the process skills you will use? We will see, okay? What are the process skills you will use? So what are the process skills he will use? What are the process skills? First one is use a model. You must use one model. Use a model. You must use a model. You prepare your model. Light will be there. Take one cardboard or one thermocol sheet. Put one bulb here, small bulb, and one switch is here. Switch and bulb both are connected to the in one battery. It's a model. You have to prepare one model. Okay. Next one is predict. Next one is predict. His problem is light is not coming in his bedroom. Okay. Light is not working. Just that is prediction. Predict. What are the problems are there actually in the switch? Is there any problem in the bulb? Is any problem or in the pole or any problem in the meter or any problem? You have to find out. Means you have to need one model. Okay. Next one is infer. Infer is nothing but a final conclusion. Infer is nothing but a the moving paper clips interpret the flow of electricity and turn off the light. Infer means what are the problem actually? Why light is not coming due to the switch is failed, due to the wire is not properly connected, and you can see the tubelet is not properly, it's damaged. Okay, finally the meter some problem is there. Like that, 4 to 5 problems will be there if the light is not working. It's clear, children? So if you see every method, some methods will be there. You have to follow some methods to find out the new things. Every experiment, there is some methods will be. That is called process skills. Next we will go to the, this is about the Arvind. Arvind, what is work is light switch in his bedroom. Light, he worked on the light. Light, he worked on the light. How the light will work and how the bulb will work. Light or bulb. You use a model and the predict and the info. These things you have to remember. For model, make a representation, help you understand idea and object and event, such how the something works. Use a model means. Next you can see predict, from an idea of an expected outcome based on the observations and experiences. How to predict? You have to predict it's coming or not. Why it is not coming. Next infer, use logical reasoning to explain events. What is happening in the circuit, what is happening inside the circuit we have to next. And draw the conclusions based on the observations. Draw the conclusions. Some wire is some problem is there, some tubelet is some problem in the switch is some problem, and even the meter is some problem. Based on this model you can find out. This is this Arvind. Next we'll go to the Sweta. Next we'll go to the Sweta's experiment. Sweta. If you see the Sweta, what she will do actually? Sweta. She follows some of the process skills. Sweta wants to know what type of paper towel absorbs the most moist water. Paper towel experiment. She done what experiment? Paper towel experiment. She done paper towel experiment. Which paper towel absorbs more water? Which paper towel absorbs more water? You have to do anything. What are the process skills she is following? Now we see the she followed some of the things. Hypothesizes, plan and conduct an experiment, control variables. Hypothesizes. She follows some of the process skills. She followed some of the process skills. First one is just that is okay. Hypothesizes. Next one is plans and conducts an experiment. Plans and conduct an experiment. Plans and conduct an experiment. Next you can see controls variables. Third one is control variables. Control variables. What is the meaning of hypothesis? You have to make one statement. Which towel will absorb more water? Terracotta. Which towel absorbs more water? You already know, but we are doing one experiment here. Which one is more, which one is less? For that, what should I have to do? Take 1 liter of water in each 3 beakers. You have to take 3 beakers. You have to take 3 beakers. In each beaker, okay, how many liters of the 1 liter of the water? You have to pour 1 liter of the water. You have to take the 3 beakers and pour 1 liter of water in each of the 3 beakers. Next, put a towel from each of the 3 bands into the different beakers for 10 seconds. Each beaker you have to put different type of towels. For how many minutes? 10 seconds. You have to put in 10 seconds. Next, put the towel out of the water and let it drain back into the beaker for 5 seconds. Pull the towel out of the water and let it drain back into the beaker. Just take out, just slowly pull out and wait for some time. The water will be drained out into the same again in the beaker. Next, measure the amount of water left in each beaker. Measure the water which is present in the beaker. You have to measure. Can you think what happens? Some water will be absorbed by these towels. They will be keeping inside the towel. The remaining water will be there in the beaker itself. That water you have to measure. If that beaker 1 and 2 and 3, beaker 1, 2 and 3, 3 beakers are there here. The first beaker absorbed more water, means the less amount of water will be there in this beaker. And here also it is less amount of water absorbed, it is more water. Like that, you have to measure the water how much is there in the beaker. Okay? Next, measure the amount of water left in each beaker. By making sure each beaker contains exactly the same amount of the water, by timing each step, her experiment is exactly. So, in 3 towels, 1 towel will absorb more water. That's why the towel which absorb more water in that beaker, the amount will be less. How much they will absorb? You are thinking more water will absorb? Okay, some amount will be absorbed. mLs in milliliters they will absorb. Okay? So here, plan and conduct an experiment. Okay. So this is about the plan and conduct the experiment, and the control variables means different type of towels we have to use and do this experiment. It will be complete. Now today's homework is the homework. Homework is nothing but what you learned today. All process skills of and this sign. Different students are there, na? So of different students. Of process of different students, you have to learn. Okay. You have to remember the process skills. Okay. Thank you very much, children. All the best.